Guys, my name is Karan and I'm from Jamnagar, Gujarat. We are in Just Auto Solutions and here is my friend MC. He'll introduce himself.
My name is MC Sapnagboya. I'm from Mizoram. Like today, we are going to show you how to make a copy of a car key using this automatic cutting machine, key cutting machine. So
here are the steps. So let's go and see.
First, you need to go to search and then vehicle make. Select your car, Suzuki.
Show the key.
Here, Suzuki Maruti. And then
we'll select the car. Swift. Here. It's 2005 to 2010 model, and we'll select the select the option card, and we'll decode this key now. This is Suzuki Swift key. We'll decode it now. So for that, we'll do decoding. It says we have to choose 01 VA clamp. So this is 01 RA. So we have to change this clamp. There we go. Take out this clamp. Thank you. So MC,
and
your
then
turn.
You can put the key on the clamp here.
Choose the guide. Here's the guide. See. Okay, so the key is in now, and we have to shut the lid. MC, start. So this machine is now tracing my old key. Okay, so the key tracing is done now. So we'll take out the old key. Now we'll put the plain key in it. MC, now we have to cut it. We will adjust the cutting speed to 100, and we need one piece, so we'll select the one. So now start it. Check the mobile tracer position. Warning, it's okay. We have to lift the tracer up before cutting it, okay? Now lower the cover. We'll lower the cover. So one side is done now. We'll open the cut. Close the shield after turning the key. It says close the shield after turning the key. So now we have to do the other side. So you can just clamp it again. Make sure to use the guide. Turn it around. Yeah. Not this side. This side. We don't have to trace again. Okay. Close the lid. Now start it. Key cutting is done now. We'll go and test this key on our vehicle.